Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comments, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profits, educational, or personal use fits the balance in favor of fair use. Each year, approximately 500 million locusts are reared in China to meet the growing demand. Globally, the market for locust consumption reaches up to 1,000 tons annually, with over 100 tons exported to countries like Japan and the United States. In China, the demand for locusts is around 100 tons per year, but the production is still below 10 tons, indicating significant potential for growth. Locust meat is becoming increasingly popular not only in China, but also worldwide. In many parts of China, locusts are considered a delicacy and are often served at special occasions and banquets. Dishes like crispy fried locusts, spicy locusts, and locust stew are gaining popularity due to their unique flavor and high nutritional value. Locusts start breeding once they reach maturity, typically around 35 days after hatching. Female locusts lay eggs in soil or special materials placed in the enclosures. The female locusts have specialized ovipositors that allow them to dig small holes in the soil where they deposit their eggs. Each female can lay multiple egg pods, with each pod containing 60 to 120 eggs. The soil is kept moist and warm, maintaining a temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius and a humidity level of around 70%. This mimics the natural conditions that locusts prefer for laying eggs. These egg pods are then covered with a protective, gel-like substance secreted by the female, which hardens to form a waterproof layer. This layer protects the eggs from environmental hazards and helps them survive until they are ready to hatch. Selling locust eggs can be a profitable business, as there is a growing demand for high-quality breeding stock. Farmers who specialize in breeding can sell their eggs to other locust farms, or even to educational institutions and research facilities. After about 10-12 days, the eggs hatch into tiny nymphs. These young locusts are immediately transferred to separate rearing chambers to continue their growth. Young locusts have a very rapid growth rate, which sets them apart from many other insect species. In just a few weeks, they undergo several molts to become adult locusts. This fast growth makes young locusts a potential economic resource. Young locusts have high nutritional needs to support their molting and growth processes. Their diet mainly consists of fresh grass, young corn, wheat, and other plants. Adult locusts are known for their remarkable strength and mobility. Unlike many other insects, adult locusts can travel great distances and are highly resilient. Adult locusts have a voracious appetite and require a nutrient-rich diet to maintain their energy levels and support their reproductive activities. One unique aspect of their diet is their ability to consume a wide variety of plants, which helps them survive in diverse environments. Locusts are typically harvested when they are about 35 days old. This stage is critical as it determines the final quality and yield of the locust farming operation. Each year, millions of locusts are harvested in China, contributing significantly to the global supply. In China alone, around 500 million locusts are harvested annually. This contributes to the approximately 1,000 tons of locusts produced globally each year. The meticulous harvesting process in China ensures that the locusts meet the high-quality standards required for both domestic consumption and export. High-quality locusts are prepared for direct sale or further processing, while others may be used for animal feed or other purposes. The global market for locusts is expanding, with more consumers recognizing the health and environmental benefits of eating insects. Locusts can be processed into various products, including dried snacks, canned goods, protein powders, and more. In some cases, locusts are freeze-dried to preserve their nutritional value and extend their shelf life. Locust meat is renowned for its high protein content and low fat, with up to 74.88% protein, 5.25% fat, and 4.77% carbohydrates. Locust meat is a powerhouse of nutrition. This locust meat demand not only supports local economies, but also provides farmers with a profitable outlet for their products. Locust meat can be prepared in a variety of delicious ways, making it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. In Chinese cuisine, locusts are often fried until crispy and seasoned with spices, creating a snack that is both flavorful and crunchy. Dishes such as crispy fried locusts, spicy locusts, and locust stir-fry are popular in many regions. In some areas, locusts have become a trendy ingredient at upscale restaurants, featured in gourmet dishes that highlight their unique taste and texture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.